painting a flower, for me at least, is hit or miss, mostly miss. I thought today, let me try to sketch a flower. I thought it was going to be come out really great, luminescent, perfect looking, and you got all that control when you're using pencil that you don't really have with paint. So anyway, that's not all that happened, and I was trying to draw this with my average pencil setup lately, which is 6H, 6B, and a plain B, and here I'm going in for the kneaded eraser to hopefully get some riveting focus and some highlights. And I guess it looks a little bit like a flower, and not too horrible, but not exactly the ace 3D looking photorealism I was fantasizing about. Anyway, sketch a flower, pencil in the sketchbook, art fun.